Welcome students. In today's lecture, we will have a brief introduction of the essayist अब्राहम कौले. आज के लेक्चर में हम अब्राहम कौले का एक brief introduction पढ़ेंगे. Of Myself is a beautiful essay written by Abraham Cowley, and the essay is prescribed in syllabus of BA second year. So now let's begin the class with a brief introduction of the essayist Abraham Cowley. So Abraham Cowley was born in 1618. His father was a London stationer, and Cowley was born after his father's death. His mother was a very religious person, and she completely devoted herself to God. As far as his education is concerned, he attended Westminster School and Trinity College, Cambridge. He was a precocious child. That means his mental abilities developed at an early age. वो एक बहुत ही precocious child थे, जिसका मतलब होता है कि बहुत early age में बहुत mental abilities जिसकी बहुत बढ़ जाती है उसे precocious कहते हैं. That is why he composed a verse romance titled as Pyramus and Thisbe at the age of 10. जब वो 10 साल के थे तो उन्होंने वर्स रोमांस लिखा था Pyramus and Thisbe. At the age of 12 he wrote Constantia and Philetus, और 12 साल की उम्र में उन्होंने दूसरा ये कंपोज किया था Constantia and Philetus. Love's Riddle was written in 1638 and it was a pastoral drama. Naufragium Jocular, it was a Latin comedy and it was also composed in 1638. He was a royalist at the time of civil war in England. So देखिए, जब इंग्लैंड में सिविल वॉर का टाइम था, ये रॉयलिस्ट साइड पे अब्राहम कौले थे, यानी कि किंग के सपोर्टर थे. एज वी नो दैट वॉर वॉज बिटवीन रॉयलिस्ट एंड पार्लियामेंटेरियंस, एंड रॉयलिस्ट वर द सपोर्टर ऑफ द किंग एट द टाइम ऑफ सिविल वॉर. ऑन द अदर हैंड, पार्लियामेंटेरियंस वर सपोर्टर ऑफ द पार्लियामेंट ऑफ इंग्लैंड. दे वर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द राउंड हेड्स. सो उस समय अब्राहम कौले जो थे वो किंग के सपोर्टर थे. सो ही सपोर्टेड किंग. सो दैट इज़ वाई at the time of civil war he was expelled from the Cambridge University. So he joined Oxford University. At Oxford University he wrote a political epic, The Civil War. And in 1644 he left Oxford for Paris, where he was in the service of courtier Henry Jermyn at the court of Henrietta Maria. In 1654 he returned to England and he spent rest of his life in retirement at Bernese because now he wanted to focus on his literary interests. इंग्लैंड में लौटने के बाद अब वो एक सेक्लूडेड लाइफ चाहते थे और ताकि वो अपने लिटरेरी इंटरेस्ट पर ध्यान दे सके. He died in 1667 and on his death King Charles II wrote, Mr. Cowley had not left a better man behind him in England. उनकी डेथ पर चार्ल्स सेकंड ने कहा था, मिस्टर कौले हैड नॉट लेफ्ट अ बेटर मैन behind him in England. Now here are some other literary works written by Abraham Cowley. The Mistress, it was written in 1647. Davide's, Pindaric Odes, Ode upon the Blessed Restoration, written in 1660. Verses on Several Occasions, written in 1663. Now if we talk about his prose writing, it was marked by grace and simplicity of style. For example, a proposition for the advancement of learning, written in 1661. The Vision and Prophecies concerning England, 1661. ऐसे का एग्जाम्पल है Of Myself and play The Guardian, that was written in 1650. This play, it was written to entertain the Prince of Wales on his visit to Cambridge. Okay, so that is all for today's lecture. We will start the text of the essay Of Myself in upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.